Hello and welcome to this video about how to get into your Zoom classroom, get it set up and all the features that you'll be using. So both ways to set up your Zoom classroom start in your confirmation email which you receive after you make a booking. In that email you have an address listed as the location of the class, which is a web link. You follow that web link and it'll take you to a web page where you have two options. The first, install the Zoom software package. This will put the Zoom program on your computer. And the second option is to just run the Zoom package in your web browser. This is a simple option but doesn't give you all of the features of the classroom and you don't get the full experience and interactivity. So what is Zoom? Zoom is a business grade meeting system. They produce software that allows companies and people to meet on the internet and interact. And that's what we use for our classroom. So let's move on and have a look at the two different options so you can make your choice of how you want to enter your class. Okay, so starting from your confirmation email, you click on the link for location in that email and you'll arrive at a screen like what you can see now. On the screen it tells you to open the Zoom software. If this is the first time you've been into our classroom, you'll need to install the software, but you only have to do this the first time. It'll work straight in every time after that. Okay, it's nice and easy, don't worry. So when you first open that link, you arrive at a screen like this one and a little box will appear on your screen asking you to download and install the software. You follow the instructions, you run the file that downloads to your computer and everything will be set up for you and you'll get the full experience of the classroom. If the little box doesn't appear, then you click on the link there on the page and it will manually set that and start the download process. Okay then, if that sounds a little bit scary, then Zoom also have a video guide on their website that will walk you through step by step. And the link for that is available on the screen now, and I'll show it again later on in this video towards the end, and it's also in the information for the video and on my website as well. Okay then, so that's getting the full experience by installing the Zoom software on your computer. Let's look at the simpler version. Okay, so if you don't want to install any extra software on your computer and you're happy to have a simpler experience within Zoom, then you have that choice as well. So when you open the link in your web browser, you'll arrive at the same screen, and this time instead of downloading, what you want to do is click on this little link at the bottom that says join from your browser. After you click on that link, the first time you do it, you'll have to accept the privacy settings that allow the web browser and the website to use your camera and also your microphone. Once you've done that, you'll be straight into the classroom. But like I said, you'll lose out on a few of the features that we're going to talk about in the next part of this video. Okay.